I live here with my daughters, Aubrey and Madison. My husband had bowel cancer. Moving home brought us some more time together as a family before he passed away. I feel like I'm living in someone else's house. The decor I haven't touched. It's full of clutter. I don't ever feel quite relaxed here. I don't feel like we're using the house to its full potential. The kids have free run, and I just spend most of my time clearing up after them. This room was my late husband's bedroom, but we were using it as a bit of a nothingy room. Oh wow, it's just lovely. It's sleek, it's stylish, but it's so practical, which is just absolutely what I wanted.
It's incredible.
It's just going to really transform the morning routine.
There's Daddy's shoes.
That is such a lovely touch. Like, I'd thought about putting things of his out, but I would never know how to do it. So it's just incredible. In the lounge, the children always dominate with their toys, but of an evening, I just want to switch off, sit down and relax. Oh my goodness. It just feels completely different. It's just fantastic. I could sit here. Where do you think you will go? Look at you, there's a little area for you. Is it comfy?
Yeah, I want to keep it here.
Do we get thumbs up for the new room?
Yeah.
Yay! I'd love to have a study and a playroom together, but equally a working space with somewhere to focus. Oh, wow. When you're a single mum, it's just perfect to be able to know that I can sit in the same room and have them next to me. So look, as you get taller, these go higher.
And it's a spinny chair.
It's a spinny chair.
I've got a spinny chair.
I absolutely love it, it's incredible. I was always a bit embarrassed about all the clutter, but now I can't wait to fling that door open.